Well, good morning, students. As we know, we have completed all the parts of the chapter. From today, we will be starting all word problems of quadratic equation. We'll start with exercise 4.1 with the first question. So make sure, very important thing, keep your PDF textbook with you, so it will be helpful to understand if it is not readable, if the question is not clear. So keep the questions with you, so it will be more clear to understand. All word problems are very important. So I will be making equations, solving part I will be giving you for homework, because I believe solving part you have learned in this chapter. Now only how to make equations. So concentrate how to make equations. The first question is, the area of rectangle plot is 528. So area is given, whatever informations are given, keep on writing. So area is given 528 meters square. The length of the plot is one more than twice its breadth. Now very important thing, read the statement. The length of the plot is one more than twice its breadth. Okay, if suppose I'm saying length is length and breadth, I want to get the answer of length and breadth. Okay, because length of the plot is one more than twice its breadth. If I want to do this in one variable, how you will do it? Read it. Length, what in this sentence, information of length is given or breadth is given? If you read the sentence, they are talking about length or they are talking about breadth? Definitely they are talking about length. It means breadth is unknown, because they are talking about length. Length of the plot is one more than twice its breadth. It means breadth, they are not talking anything about breadth. So let our breadth be x. What is length? Length of the plot is one more than twice its breadth. Can I say it will be this? One more than twice its breadth. Length is what? It is one more. More means plus, then twice its breadth. Breadth is x. So whenever it this way equation another one, you can write directly x. Okay. Now what it says, we need to find the length and breadth. Okay. Now how to find length and breadth? Area is given, length is given, breadth is given. We can easily find it is a rectangle. What is the formula? Area is equal to length into breadth. Formula of rectangle. Area of rectangle, length into breadth. What is length? 2x plus 1, and breadth is x. And area is given 528. If you solve this equation, you will get the quadratic form, because 2x into x, 2x square plus x. Okay, so what is the equation now? 2x square plus x minus 528 equal to 0. I believe most of you know how to now solve this. You can do by splitting the middle term, or you can directly use, which will be easier, quadratic formula. A is given, B is 1, C is this. By use of quadratic formula, you can find x. As you find x, you can find length also, 2x plus 1. X will be your breadth. Whatever x you will get, after solving you will get two answers. One will be valid, another will be not valid. So x will be the answer. As you get the answer of x, put the value of x in length. So 2 into x plus 1, you will get length also. Okay. Now moving to the second question. The product of two consecutive positive integer is 306. Now what do you mean by consecutive? Consecutive means one after the other. 1, 2, 3, 4. They are consecutive numbers. If I am writing 5, it is 6. If I am writing 101, so 101 after it is 102. Consecutive numbers means one after the other. Now we don't know what is the consecutive number. So let first number be x. If the first number is x, after x what will come? Consecutive means one after the other. So it was plus 1. Second number will be x plus 1, because after x, see, and if any value if you put, you will get consecutive number only. If I put 100 plus 100, so I am getting 100 and 101. If I write 5 plus 1, 6, 5 and 6, I am always getting consecutive number. Take any positive integer. So this is what it have to do, consecutive positive integer. Now it is written the product. Sum means addition, product means multiplication. Product of two consecutive number is 306. So product of this is Product means it is multiplication of these two numbers. It is 306. I believe this was very easy equation. The product of two consecutive number, it means multiplication of two numbers is 306. Now again make it in easy form. X into x, x square, x into 1, x is equal to 306. Write in the general form, ax square plus bx plus c form. Right, ax square plus b plus, right, you are able to find, you have to be able to make in the general form, right, ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So now it is in a quadratic equation. Again I believe you can easily solve with the help of quadratic formula, or you can use splitting the middle term and find x. Whatever x you will get, that will be first number, and after putting the x value over here, you will get a second number also. Okay. Now moving to the third question. Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. Okay. Now this sentence is talking about Rohan, or it is talking about Rohan's mother. A very important thing. How you will understand what will be x and what will be another one. Okay. I'm doing in one variable, so it will be easy to understand. Rohan's mother is 26 years older. They are talking about Rohan's mother. So they are not talking about, and they are not talking anything about Rohan. So Rohan is x. Rohan is unknown. But Rohan's mother is what? 26 years older. Older means elder, right? So it is x plus 26. Can I say it is the right equation? Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. If Rohan is x years old, mother will be x plus 26 years old. If Rohan is 5 years old, mother will be 5 plus 26. Correct? So this is the required form. Now what is given? The product of their ages 3 years from now. 3 years from now means plus 3 years from now. Easy understanding. 3 years from now. 3 साल बाद. 3 years from now. So what will be age? After 3 years, what will be your age? For example, now your age is 16. After 3 years, your age will be 19. Similarly, so Rohan age will be what? X plus 3. Definitely. Similarly, her mother age also will increase. If her mother age is 20, for example 50. So after 3 years it will be 53. So here also 3 years will be plus 3. Whatever age was there earlier, plus 3 on both the side, because 3 years from now both age will increase. So this is the final equation, x plus 3, and second one is, if you solve it, x plus 29. Now what is said? The product of their ages 3 years from now will be 360 degree. After 3 years, the product will be 360. So after 3 years, if you product them, x plus 3 into x plus 29, the age, or we can say total is 360. The product of their ages, the product means multiplication of their ages, is 360 degree. Now I believe you can easily solve. You will get a quadratic equation, and again you can find x. As you get x, you will get Rohan age, which will be the answer. Find Rohan present age. You have only to find Rohan age. Mother age is not asked, so no need to find. If it is asked, you can find by putting the value of x over here. Okay. Mark this question is important. The fourth one, very important, because this question is repetitively asked. Understand this. There are two cases in this. Case 1. First case is a train travels a distance 480 kilometer. Whatever it is given, we will write. Distance is 480 kilometer at a uniform speed. Uniform speed means it at a steady speed, same speed. Uniform speed. So let the speed is unknown. So let the speed be x. Uniform speed be x. Okay. Train travels a distance 480 kilometer at a uniform speed. This is all the knowledge. So for this, we know the formula of time. Time is, or a very simple formula, speed is distance upon time. This most of you might know. Speed is distance upon time. So time will be distance upon speed. Distance upon speed. Okay. So what will be the time in the first case? Time will be 480. Distance is 480 and speed is x. This is case 1. Now in case 2, it is mentioned if the speed had been 8 kilometer less. If the speed is 8 kilometer less, so speed is now how much? 8 kilometers. So initially it was x. If it is 8 less, x minus 8, because we don't know what is the original speed. We have supposed x. So if they have mentioned if the speed had been 8 kilometer less, if the speed is getting 8 less, x minus 8, okay, it's been 8 minutes, then it would have taken 3 hours more to cover the same distance. Distance is same, distance is 480, because distance will not change. If you reduce your speed, the distance will be still the same. Now second statement is what? Then it will have taken 3 hours more to cover the same distance. It is taking 3 hours more. This was the time earlier it was taking. As you are reducing the speed, the time will be increasing automatically. So from this time, initially only this much time it was taking. As the speed has been less, it takes 3 hours more. So plus 3. Correct? Speed is reduced. If speed is reduced, automatically time will increase. Initial time was this. It is increasing by 3 hours. So this time plus 3 hours. So this will be the equation. Now with the help of this again, time is equal to distance upon speed. They have asked us, we need to find the speed of the train. It means you have to find the speed of the second case. What is the speed of this? Okay, we have to find this speed. So let us check. Time is given how much? In second case, time is 480 upon x plus 3. Distance is 480 and speed is x minus 8. See, whenever you are having so many unknown terms, first write the like terms together. So 3 is equal to 480 upon x minus 8 minus 480 upon x. I have shifted this over here, so plus will become minus. 3 as it is, 480 upon x minus 8 minus 480 upon x. Okay, now they are easy in easy form. Now you can take LCM and solve it. So if you want me to solve it, if you take 480 common, or don't take common, you can do it. If you take or else take it common to make it easy. 480 common, 1 upon x minus 8 minus 1 upon x. The solving part I believe most of you know, but still I am solving it. LCM will be cross multiplied, x minus 8 upon x into x minus 8. Now solve this ahead, you will get a quadratic equation. Already this type of questions we have done in the previous videos. So solve this ahead, you will get an equation. Okay, now similar question I will solve of the same type, so it will be easier to understand if you have doubts. So let us check the same question, a same type question it is here also. A train travels 360 kilometers, here also same thing. Case 1, distance is 360 kilometer. It is uniform speed, so uniform speed is x. If the speed has, so in the first case same like this, time is the distance upon speed. Okay, so distance is 360 upon x. Case 2, those have not understood the previous example or the sum, understand same type question. First one, the train travels 360 kilometer at a uniform speed. So 360 kilometer, speed is unknown x, so time will be distance upon speed. Initially first case time will be 360 upon x. Second case it says if the speed had been 5 kilometer more. So if speed is 5 more, initially it was x, 5 more means x plus 5. Distance will be same. Okay, now what it says, it will have taken 1 hour less. Now it is taking 1 hour less, so time will be 1 hour less. So new time will be whatever time was initial minus 1. In that case, in the previous sum it was plus, now it is minus because it is 1 hour less. This time minus 1. So again we can make the equation, time is distance upon speed. Time is 360 upon x minus 1. Distance will be same. Speed is increasing or decreasing, doesn't matter. X is what? No, sorry, speed is what? X plus 5. Again you have to write the like terms together. So 360 upon x minus 360 upon x plus 5 is equal to 1. Always do this method, so it will be easy to solve. It is not wrong in if you do this first, but always take x and x together. I have taken this together and shifted that number separate. So first solve this part and then solve it. You will be able to get the answer. And the one more question of same type, where it is two trains are the express trains and passenger train. An express train takes 1 hour less than a passenger train. Now again, Very important to understand what will be x and what will be this. Right, the another one. An express train takes 1 hour less than a passenger train. They are talking about express train. No information of passenger train. So passenger train will be x. Passenger train. What they are 1 hour less. What it is talking? Express train takes 1 hour less than a passenger train to travel 132 kilometer. Okay. So distance of passenger train is 132 kilometer. Between Mysore and Bangalore, if the average speed of the train is 11 kilometer more than that of its passenger train, the speed of the passenger train is x. Okay. So first thing, we will make the equation from this. Time is distance upon speed. So 132 upon x, same type, right? Because passenger train was unknown, so we have made this unknown type. Now in x, for express train, they have given in question express train takes 1 hour less. It's taking one hour less. So time will be, this was the initial time with passenger train. Express train take 1 hour less. So time will be 132 upon x minus 1. 1 hour less, whatever time is taken by passenger. So express train will take 132 upon x minus 1. And it says, what else it is mentioned? Distance will be same, that is obvious. Distance will be same. Okay. If the average speed of the train is 11 kilometer more, now express train speed is 11 kilometer more. So x, now here will be x plus 11. I believe you might have understood now this type of questions. Okay, now again you can make the equation. Time is distance upon speed. Substitute the value. 132 upon x minus 1 is equal to distance is 132 upon x plus 11. So again you can write in like terms together. This is x variable and this is also x variable. You can write it together. I will shift it over there, or you can shift it over here, doesn't matter. 132 upon x minus 132 upon x plus 11. Minus 1 I will shift there, so it will become positive, plus 1. Now solving part, cross multiplication, easily you can solve. So hope this video was helpful for you. Practice similar questions. More questions you will get for practice also. Thank you.